DeepSeek AI, revolutionizing the way we search. Join me as I dive into the world of DeepSeek AI and see if it really can revolutionize the way we search forever. DeepSeek AI is being hailed as a groundbreaking tool that's about to change the way we search for information online, and I'm excited to explore what all the fuss is about. We've all been there, countless hours spent scrolling through endless pages of irrelevant search results, only to find that the information we needed was hiding in plain sight on page 10. Traditional search engines can be frustratingly flawed, often returning results that are outdated, biased, or just plain wrong. And let's be honest, who hasn't experienced the overwhelming feeling of information overload when faced with millions of search results? It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, only to realize the haystack is on fire and the needle is hiding behind a paywall. The problem with traditional search engines is that they rely on outdated algorithms that prioritize popularity over relevance, often serving up results that are more interested in making a quick buck than providing accurate information. And when you add to that the echo chambers of social media and the proliferation of misinformation, it's no wonder we're all feeling a little lost in the digital wilderness. But what if there was a better way? What if we could harness the power of artificial intelligence to create a search engine that's more accurate, more personalized, and more intuitive? That's exactly what DeepSeek AI promises to deliver, and I'm excited to take a closer look at how it does it. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, DeepSeek AI claims to be able to deliver search results that are more relevant, more timely, and more personalized to our individual needs. One of the most impressive features of DeepSeek AI is its ability to learn and adapt to our search habits over time, allowing it to refine its results and provide a more tailored experience. It's like having a personal research assistant at your beck and call, scouring the internet for the most accurate and relevant information and presenting it to you in a clear and concise manner. But enough talk. Let's see DeepSeek AI in action. In this demonstration, we're going to put it through its paces and see just how well it can deliver on its promise of revolutionizing search. And I have to say, the results are impressive. With its intuitive interface and lightning-fast results, DeepSeek AI makes traditional search engines look like, well, dinosaurs. In this example, we can see how DeepSeek AI is able to return results that are not only more relevant, but also more diverse, pulling in information from a wide range of sources and presenting it in a clear and concise manner. And with its advanced filtering capabilities, we can quickly and easily narrow down our results to find exactly what we're looking for. The implications of DeepSeek AI are far-reaching and profound. Imagine being able to find the information you need in seconds without having to wade through pages of irrelevant results. Imagine being able to trust that the information you're getting is accurate and reliable. It's a game changer, and I'm excited to see where this technology takes us. In conclusion, DeepSeek AI has the potential to transform the way we search for information online, and I'm excited to be a part of this revolution. If you're as blown away by this technology as I am, be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and check out my other videos for more insights into AI technology.